let's talk about the song Sugar for the Pill by Slowdive. Now, it starts out with this little riff, and this is how they play it. But if you know your bar chords, you can play it just by playing your C bar chord and then just pick your A string and your B string. And then go to your D shape, and then go to your E minor shape, and then G at the 10th fret, then back to the 3rd fret for your C. And they're using a digital delay, so there you go. Do, 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 do. So if you want to do that, you can either play it like that or get yourself a delay effect. That's the introduction and the verse. Now, since it's kind of a simple progression, just C, D, E minor, G. Let's talk about it. It's a couple different ways you could play it. You could play. You could play it like that on the low strings, just like using like your open C shape. Slide it up for the D. Then use your E power chord, and then G shape, like your open position G shape, and then your C, back to your C. Play it like that. Play it on the top strings. Just playing 3 and 5. Slide it up, 5, 7. Slide it up, but this time you're going to play 7, 8. And then 10, 12. Back to 3, 5. Just playing basically the top part of the chords there. You can play it with A shapes. So that's 5. Just playing the D and the B string. 7. Then you got to go 8, 9. That's like an A minor shape. And then G at the 12th fret. Back to the C. So there's a bunch of ways you could play that just to mix it up if you're playing solo. Again, you could play it just like the recording, just play the A and the B string. Or you could play it like they do and just do 2 fingers. Let's talk about the chorus. This is how I would play it if you're going to do just like the double stops or the 2-note melody. A minor, we're going to play the E string and the G string. And go to G, play the same strings. And then when we go to the C, you go back to the A and the B strings. This is how I play it. And what you're doing on both of those is the verse and the chorus is they're playing the root note and the third. And the third is what on the minor goes that changes. So that's basically what's going on there. All right, well, that's about all I got to say about that song. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.